The question we have on the board says that the surveyor's bearing of 300 degrees is equivalent to a compass bearing of dash. Solution now. We need to know that in representing bearing, it consists of two ways in which we represent bearing. We have the two-digit bearing and we have the compass bearing. In two-digit bearing, the bearing is written in 3 digits. For instance, 030 degree, 270 degree, and so on. But for compass, the bearing is stated in the form north 30 degree east, south 40 degree west. So this is 3 digits form, and this is compass form. And this 3-digit bearing is the same as the surveyor bearing. Good. But before we can be able to represent 200 degree, the compass bearing, we need to represent this in a diagram. And to place the diagram, the first thing to do is to sketch the 4 cardinal direction, which is, this is 4 cardinal direction: north, south, east, and west. In 3-digit bearing, which is surveyor's bearing, the angular movement starts from the north of the cardinal point and moves in a clockwise direction. Start only from the north. The movement of angle, that is the angular movement, starts only from the north. Okay. So let's move now. This we move. From here to here is 90. Next 90, 180. Less than 270. So 270 plus next 30 here will give us 300 degree. And if here is 30, definitely from here to here is 90. 90 minus 30 will give us 60 degree. What is remaining here is 60 degree. And since it is 60 degree, then we can then proceed now to express 200 degree in compass form. Another thing to know about compass bearing is that the angular movement starts either from the north, listen attentively, either from the north or from the south, moving either northeast or northwest, or southeast or southwest. Here now, look at our bearing now. So look at the line joining this observer and this place. So the angular movement is the movement to move from the north to the line joining the observer and the place. Look at this. You see that is from this now we have what? 60. This implies that 300 degrees is equals to north moving towards the west, which is north 60 degree west, and that is the answer. Hence, we have represent 200 degree in 2-digit form as a compass bearing. If it is this side, it will be, if it is the angular movement, the line joining the observer and the place is in the northeast direction, it will be north 60 degree west. But you can see that the line joining the observer and the place is in the northwest side, and the bearing in compass form will move from the north of it to the line joining the observer and the place, which is this line. That's why we have it as north 60 degree. If you find the video interesting, you can subscribe, comment, and write comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Quickly, just try this and tell me the answer in compass form. That is, present this bearing 240 degree and tell me the answer in the comment section. Thank you.